You don't need me to tell you that there's a lot going on at the moment. Trade sanctions are hitting the markets. A looming energy crisis is just around the corner. Cyber threats are on the rise, and we're seeing increased cost on almost everything. What's challenging with the situation we're in right now is that all of these events are happening at the same time and on an increasingly shorter cycle without giving us ample time to recover from the previous crisis. Trying to operate efficiently in this environment is increasingly difficult. Here's the deal though. COVID taught us a lot about working in a hybrid mode and how to amend our ways of working to deal with sudden changes. And there are many best practice examples from the past 2 years that we can take advantage of to make sure your organization stays productive and that your employees stay engaged. So join us on May 5th for an online event where we'll be taking a close look at what we've learned from the pandemic and what the best practices are that you can apply to your business. I'll be speaking with experts from companies such as Microsoft, Elisa Videra and Poly about what they see as the most useful insights for you to take advantage of. We would love if you can join us. Thank you so much.